Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the VLookup Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at a question which was posed by one of our followers. The question is, when I import data from an ERP system or a SAP, I'm not able to use VLookup function. It fails to bring out the expected return or results. We should note that when data is really imported from our system, it is not uncommon to encounter issues with numbers and dates not being recognized properly. It's very important that when such data are really imported, the data is cleaned up properly, especially involving dates and numbers. And in our data imported, or the challenge our follower was facing is there are staff IDs, and he's using the VLookup to pull up, using the staff ID to pull up the first name. She's not getting the right result. So let's test it and see whether it's true. So if first ID is 1030, we are going to use the VLookup function to see the outcome of it. So we say VLookup, as we introduce the VLookup function with an equal sign. That is the vertical lookup. I say VLookup, go and look for the staff ID, comma, within this range, comma, and when you find it, return its second column, and it should be exact 0. You close your parentheses, you enter. We are getting an error, but you can see that our staff ID is really in a general format and it's not in text. So why is it not working? So we use the text to column to really correct this. So we select where we have the numbers, we go to data, we go to text to column. So you see that the delimited is really checked. We go to next, the tab is checked, we go to next, it's general, then we go to finish. You'll see that it's really corrected. So now we have our staff IDs in a number format, and it's also in a number format, it's in general. So now we can use the VLookup. So when we change the ID even to 1010, you see that's updated with it. Now let's move to a situation where you have a date. Now with the date function, this is really date of sales, and you have the year, the month, and the day. Thing to do is to convert this to dates. So we use still the text to column function. So we select the date column, we go to data, we go to text to columns. So here we select delimited, next we choose the next again. So here we choose the date. What format should our date be in? Our date is in a format year, month, and day. So we select it and we click on finish. Automatically you can see that our format, which was really not in the right format, our date which was not in the right format, has really been updated into the date format. That's the power of the text to column function. Thank you for following us on VLookup Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.